Paul, open a present.
Open that present.
Okay, go ahead.
Open it.
You can do it. Go ahead.
Open it.
Here, buddy. Here. Oh, shit. Okay, I don't know if that all that food is gonna fit in the oven, buddy.
That's how a man thinks.
Okay, let's open this one. Here, I'll start it off for you. Okay, go ahead. Rip it open. Rip it open.
Open it.
What could it be? No. What is it? Look, you've got a spoon and a rolling pin and a pot holder just like Mama.
And an oven.
And an oven. You want to open another present? You want to open this one? Here you go. I started it for you.
Oven.
Oh, yes. Got to put all the stuff in the oven. Buddy, it's not all going to fit. Paul, come here. Let's open your other present.
Okay.
Buddy, all that food is not going to fit in the oven.
It's a cracker.
Yeah. It's not all going to fit, okay? Why don't you put some in your pots and pans?
No.
Hey, buddy. Okay, open your last present.
Last present.
Okay, open it up. What could it be?
Oh, it's
Turn it. There you go. No screaming.
Ta-da!
What's that? It's a game that you can play with Mama and Daddy.
It's a board game.
Yeah.
How open a board game?
Not yet. Okay, maybe later tonight, okay? We'll play with you.
Happy birthday.
Okay, Daddy's going to take a shower and Mama's going to get breakfast ready.
Make sure you put your phone back.
Put your phone away. Say thank you. Say thank you for my presents.
My present.
You're welcome.